Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. As always, check the description for timestamps if you want to jump ahead. So here we are, about to hike up a mountain.
Yes, it's called the Triund Trek. So it's about maybe a 3 hours to 4 hours hike. Maybe it'll take longer for us.
We'll be camping overnight once we get to the top. We just took a 400 rupee or 20-minute taxi ride up here.
Pretty bumpy,
Probably
right?
the bumpiest
Oh my God.
ride I've ever been
Not
in.
a good idea if you just had your breakfast.
Yeah. Although the view off the cliffs are really amazing.
It was
So
kind of scary, no?
Yeah, it was kind of scary. But I think
Yeah.
I'm in for some, I think we're all in for some beautiful views up here.
Look at that.
So let's go hike up this mountain, find our campsite, and settle in for the night.
Woo-hoo.
Let's go. Hot, nice and warm, not too hot. Sun is warm, but the breeze is cool. Beautiful. Ready to hike. Okay, 1 hour mark. What do you say, Ivana? How you feeling?
Whew. A little tired. There's lots of uphill.
You're not even
but
wearing a
it's not bad.
backpack. You're not even wearing a backpack.
Yeah, I know. It's not bad so far. I would say it's not easy, but it's not hard.
Would you say moderate?
Moderate, yes.
Cool.
Yes.
It's pretty clean. It's pretty beautiful out. Weather's nice. I'm having a good time. We've reached a little rest area. There's like a little couple buildings over there. Maybe we can refill our water bottle or something. Okay, the journey continues. Let's go.
You can see, it's the glaciers behind us.
Yeah.
So we have, I think, 1 hour to go to get to Triund, the campsite.
Oh, very cool.
Awesome.
Okay, up we go. Up, 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 can only go up from here. Up, 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 da-na-na, na-na-na. Up, 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 da-na-na, na-na-na. Getting tiring. Some guys just told us maybe half an hour from here, so
Oh,
we're
thank
making it
God.
happen. I think Ivana's feeling quite tired. How are you feeling, Ivana?
I am tired.
You look a little bit tired. Show the camera your face, Ivana. Give it a triple tap there.
Okay, let's go
go.
see.
What's up?
What do you think is gonna be over the hill?
What do I think is going to be over the hill? It's just going to be a green field with wild mountain goats grazing. Yeah. Wouldn't that be special? Oh, baby. Probably a lot better than mountain goats. Look at that, Ivana. Oh, that's what you hike all those hours for. Wow. Look at that. That's really special, Ivana. Wow.
Get rid of your bad karma if you look at that.
So we've reached the campsite. I think it's called Triund, and I've lost Ivana. There she is. What a beautiful view. Come on.
Oh my God, Steve, we're at top.
We made it.
Top of Chin. You'll see all the campsites here later.
Yeah, I showed them.
But look at this view first. It's amazing. What? Oh, there's a campsite there. Wow.
So we've made it to the top. We're at the first little campsite here. Bunch of campsites around. Bunch of people. Some dogs running around. Saw some horses. I think there's even some like cafes. Get some food at. Kind of a beautiful place. You can see the mountain in the background. Spectacular. So we're gonna rest here. But first, I think it's time to fly.
Our sleeping bag for the night. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna keep us warm. Hope so. What? There you go. Our sleeping bag is all set up. This tent is too small for Steve.
No, I can go up more. It'll fit.
It is a tiny tent.
It'll fit.
Yay!
No pillows. These sleeping bags are pretty dirty. That's life, you know. I'm excited. I'm not complaining.
Nice. How excited are you?
Oh, this is great. This is really great.
Amazing.
We've got our door pointing right towards sunrise.
Oh yeah.
Brilliant idea. I tell you what, this place is like 360 degrees of beauty.
It's awesome.
It's awesome up here.
This is like our last stop in India before our visa runs out, and this is like,
It really is
it's
great.
our highlight.
Yes,
of
it
India.
really is. You got the mountains over here, you've got a big valley over there, you've got a city over there, and a big mountain with a hike over here. And you know, our little tent, so cozy, 2 sleeping bags. What a great time.
This cost us 700 rupees per tent, and then they're gonna make us some lunch, some dal and rice, and it costs 150 per person. So we're hungry, and let's have some lunch.
Yeah, we're gonna sit, relax a little bit, have some lunch, and then we'll go explore around and show you all the beauty, because it is everywhere you look. The sun is going down, the wind is slowing down, it's getting a little colder, and there's like dozens of goats and sheep. Are these wild goats and sheep? I don't know. Nonetheless, they're cool to look at, fun to look at. Wow. There's so much more coming over the hill. They can't be wild. They look like they've all been clipped, right? Yeah, these are owned. Look how many are coming over the hill, Ivana. They're coming over the hill like Braveheart, just coming over in hordes. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god,
Yes, you can. But you have to drink within a 30 minutes.
Really?
Yes, because it's very sweet.
Really? Well, that's just fantastic. We thought our day was done. We already had a great day.
Oh my god,
We had no complaints, and then we come out just to see the sunset, and there's hundreds of sheep and goats.
This is awesome.
That's awesome. That's really great. Look at this. Kind of a
And the sunset is so beautiful.
yeah, sunset's great. It's really fun to watch the shadows across the mountain behind us. Really great.
Anyway, the sun is going down soon. Maybe we'll have some dinner, maybe a bonfire. We don't know. So we'll see you. We'll sleep under the stars tonight. We're all tucked in.
Are you tucked? I'm tucked in.
Hi, Steve.
Hey guys.
Good morning, everybody. We're just waking up in our tent. It's pretty cold. It was pretty cold last night. Are you freezing, Ivana?
I was freezing. It was so cold.
I think Ivana's wearing 7 layers of clothes.
Yeah, man. Have to.
So we're just getting up. Check this view out of the front of our tent. It's pretty special. Watch this. Very exciting. So there will be a sunrise over top of, right in front of us, but it's coming slow because, there's no rush today, guys. Today is just about, being calm and being loving and maybe staying warm, right, Ivana?
Mm-hmm.
What's funny is in 3 hours you're going to be complaining it's too hot.
Never.
Okay, guys, we're going to go have some breakfast. We're going to go do some stuff, and then we'll show you everything that we do, and we'll bring you along, okay? Say bye, Miss Ivana.
Bye.
Cup of chai in the morning.
Hey.
Very nice. Hey, cheers, Ivana.
Cheers. So cold today. This chai is so warming. So nice. And can't beat waking up to this view. Oh, I love the snowy peaks mountains. Love it.
Oh, the sun is beautiful, no?
Yeah.
It's so warm, so bright. The day has begun. Once the sun came over the mountain, the day has begun.
Wow.
So we're just gonna pack up now, head back down the mountain. Want to end the vlog now?
Sure.
So thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you guys in the next video as we shrink smaller. Click below us for our most recent upload. You'll see what country we're in now. Click to the right of us for some of our other videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Anything you'd like to add, Miss Ivana?
No.
Okay, maybe a little bit of this beauty as we go away. Bye bye, everybody. Bye.